Chadron State College TLPEC presents Fixing Dark Mode. Are your students seeing white lines instead of text using dark mode in the Canvas app? But the text can be seen using light mode in the Canvas app? If so, there is HTML coding in the page's content that needs to be fixed. In the desktop version, find the page that was shown in the phone app having issues. Click on Edit. In the Rich Content Editor, click on the HTML icon. The HTML coding between the two highlighted carets is what is causing the issue in dark mode of the Canvas app. The code is creating a white background. In dark mode, then, both the text and the text background will be white this way. Delete all occurrences of this string of code, including the carets. Don't forget to click Save. Now all the text is visible in dark mode. If you would like TLPEC to make these changes for your course, please contact us.